Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Most importantly, click on the thumbs up button. Here I will actually be sharing with you guys free PNG websites that you can actually download free and stock images as well as icons for your graphic project. This will actually make your project to stand out, make your designs to stand out. This website is PNG Wing. I personally make use of this. Yes, it has so many. You can just search, put your prompt and search in whatsoever you want. Yes, you can search here. Let's search here for lights. To see different lights. Yes, I personally use this during Christmas period for one of my designs. Then there are so many lights here you can actually implement in your design. Yes, so we also have another website which is clean PNG. These have so many PNG, so let's search threes here. So I'll be dropping the link in the description so you guys can actually download it. So these are high definition, high resolution, so you can just click on it and you download it into your system. So you click on the free download and you get it down straight into your system. Yes, so another website here is PNG image. Here let's search for light. Here I think we searched for light on PNG Wing, but we didn't have enough feature. Let's search light. So these are so many different lights, so many lights. I think I love this website in particular. I'm beginning to like it. Yes, so we also have the very last one, which is PNG egg. PNG egg also have, they are all similar, so you can just play around with them and know their features and know what they will have to offer. Yes, not all resources can be here, but you can find the little you can find some little here. You find others, there are websites. I will drop the link in the description. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, thank you.